Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Max, and if you're new on this channel, welcome to each and every of my lovely returning subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by once again. If you are meeting this video for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, turn on post notification, watch, share and comment on each and every of our video. Thank you. Have you been scared to shop from Aliexpress because of your terrible experience with other online stores? Guys, I want to tell you that I am not advertising for Aliexpress, neither is this a paid ad, but I got all these content creation materials on Aliexpress for, guess what, less than $100. Less than what? $100. So guys, head straight to Aliexpress store and make sure you check out the seller information and the store before you place an order. Use your dollar account, use your dollar card, and make sure you purchase whatsoever you like. And any video that you would love to see on this channel, kindly comment it down in the comment section below, and I will be watching and I will be responding to each and every of your lovely comments. Thank you.